Hello everybody, how are you? Hope everybody's doing well. Today I am out in nature. So I love nature. I love being out in nature. It's nice, quiet, and peaceful. Sitting on a bench. Really nice, actually. Very nice. Very nice, see? See? Very nice. So, having a great day as always. Sun is shining behind me. What can get better than that? Sun is shining. I was at Trader Joe's. I looked down and I seen a little baby and I said hi, and she got all happy and smiles. She's so cute and adorable. She was cute and adorable, and I said to the parents, I'm like, she's a little cutie. She's a little cutie. And then the dad's like, thanks, we just taught her how to smile. I'm like, oh. And I told the mom and the dad that you have a cute little girl. She's a baby, a little pacifier in her mouth. She's a little baby. She's cute. Look, the sun's shining. So nice. Being in nature makes me happy. One of the things I enjoy. Breeze is picking up a little bit. It's nice. These people are coming by and they're walking. A dog. Nice outside. The glare of the sun. Glare of the sun. Glare of the sun. Well, that's it. Just embrace today. I'm embracing today. Nothing much. It's quiet here. That's why I decided to shoot a video. I think it's pretty good. Someone told me to do it, so I'm doing it. If I get a feeling to make a video, I do it. You know? Pretty good. Especially in nature. Pretty good. It's nice outside today. For October, it's not cool, so that's good. I think for the rest of this week over here, it's going to be in the 70s. I think by the end of this week, it'll be in the high 60s or something. So yeah, nice. I also went to Spirit's Halloween store. I got a decal for the front porch, and I also got a magnet for the refrigerator. So that's good. Add to the Halloween collection on the refrigerator. So, yeah, Halloween. Can't wait for Halloween. Yep. I don't know what I'm doing for Halloween yet. That's 3-4 weeks away. If I had a kid, I'd dress them up and go and take them trick-or-treating. I might get dressed up myself. I don't know. But yeah, no, Halloween. Pretty good. Look at that sun. I love the sun shining right behind me. It's so nice and peaceful and bright. Being in nature is great too. I love it. So, try to connect with everything. It's so nice outside. Very nice. All right, well, I am going to go. I hope everybody's having a great day. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, view. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you are a subscriber already, thanks for your support. It's greatly appreciated as always. And I will catch you guys in the next video, and have a great rest of your day, and have a great evening too. Bye-bye.